All right, we're down here this morning at the shop. We've had a couple deliveries. We've been keeping the UPS man busy, and every time we get one of these 12S winches, I get a little note from the UPS guy on the box that says, "I hate you." So we've got 3 of the 12S's out here today to show you what Warren sent out for us. We've also got a 10S. We've got the 10S Platinum that we put on the front of the Jeep. We're also waiting for the rest of this. We'll have a 20K long drum coming. It's for the 5-ton, and so thanks to Warren and Factor 55 for helping us sponsor the channel. And they don't give us winches, but they give us a good discount on them, so we appreciate all the support that way. And they build some of the best products on the market. This 10S is for the Winterton boys up north, Dale and the crew, Andrew, and they're going to put it wherever they need it. They got a snowcat up there in that fleet. 12S will go on the Jeep if he can fit it in. Jake will build him a custom bumper. So come tell us about your Sidekick, Jake.
Nothing special. I just decided to build a little kids crawler since the Samurai doesn't seat enough people for my whole family to sit in, so we brought this down here this weekend for the maiden voyage. The Sidekick just did full width axles, 14 ball disc brake conversion, 538 spools, custom links and airbag or Fox air shocks on the front, transfer case gears. Just something to get the kids around the dunes and have some fun.
That'll be fun. So if you guys know anything about Suzuki's, you know how capable they are when they're built well, and we've been running them for years. We've had a lot of fun in the old Samurais and the Sidekicks, but we're excited to be down here today in sunny southern Utah. It's going to be a beautiful day, and we'll see where the phone calls take us today. I'll show you what Jake does. All this custom stuff, bumpers, full widths. That thing looks so sick. Geez, I better just send you my Samurai. Truck showing up. Somebody else is driving it.
Oh.
Hey! Who stole my truck?
Sure did. I had to go pick somebody up.
I just want to know.
What's up, Buttercup?
Is this going to be warranty work?
No.
Or is this from driver air? Loose nut behind the wheel
driver
there.
air?
Huh?
Oh, could be.
What's going on here? Oh, he ain't even going to look at the camera. Got a little oil leak here or something, damn thing. All right, we're on the road again. I got Joseph with me today. He decided he was going for a hike, and he got his Ford Taurus stuck in the snow.
Yes, I did.
So we've got Poppy with us. She was all excited about going. She's sick of sitting around the office, so we're headed up in the Cherokee, maybe, if it'll run. And we're just gonna get up there and give him a quick pull out, and we'll be on the road again. So what's going on?
Well, not much. Did plan on spending this much time on the mountain, but I got my car stuck, and hopefully we can get it unstuck.
Did you get a hike in?
I did not.
Oh man. So maybe we'll get his car unstuck and he can go for a hike. But anyways, we have a lot of fun with this. We go run around, have a good old time. Never a complaint when you get a look at that. Look at that view up there. Mercy sakes alive.
It's a really pretty view, yeah. Honestly, I really just like about taking a hike, but today I decided that I wanted to.
I'm not much of a hiker either. If it doesn't have 4 legs and a saddle, I don't want to be there. So anyways, we're having a good time, so we'll take you along for the ride. Oh, and I didn't mention that this is probably my 6th or 7th trip to Kolob in the last 4 days. So we get up here quite often. We don't always film them, but hey, here we are. Another reason why you don't need a GoPro. Working our way up in here. I'd say nice and easy, but we're not going nice and easy. We're pedal to the metal, climbing the grade here, but it's sure neat how conditions have changed. A week ago, or less than a week ago, this was about 8 inches of snow, and it's pretty well all melted, so conditions changed drastically up here, and so it's always good to be prepared and know what you're getting into. But this the one?
Yep. Oh. There it is.
How about that? You did drive it out of there. It won't go forward or backwards, will it?
No, it won't.
It's probably the easiest way. Hey, look, there we found it. Found that hot rod Ford. That was typical of a search on Kolob this time of year. Hey, calm down. But we got him out with no problem. Just hooked up that 30-foot factor 55 rope, pulled him around that little loop-de-loo and back onto the pavement. We're gonna head down river and see what else we got shaking today. It's always busy, always something to do, so we stay on the move. So thanks for coming along for the ride. See what that says? I'm excited. I know I might not seem excited, but I'm excited because something just showed up this morning that is a work of art. And it says worn on it, so you know it's good. Look at that baby. Oh, isn't that a beauty? BMW on the rollback, and all of a sudden I'm on a dirt road. What the crap? All right, we're on the road again. We got Alex and Alicia, right?
Yeah.
From South Florida.
South Florida.
Just swung in and said they wanted to go for a mule ride, so we're going to oblige them for that. We're gonna drop down in this river bottom in front of us here, called the Virgin River, and take these old mules, take these old mules and that Mustang mare down in there and go show them a little bit of the rougher areas of southern Utah. The Virgin River Gorge runs down along through here, so we're gonna just go drop off the hill and we'll see what happens. I feel like a blabbering idiot, and we'll take you along for the ride. All right, here we are, gonna drop down in the old landfill, down into the cliffs in the river, and then we're gonna go around the loop up there. Should be a lot of fun. Pretty amazing. This is just right along the edge here. Ooh. Ooh.
Now let's see how she'll do or how I'll do.
Well, she's been through there 100 times. Should do all right.
Come on. You can do it, baby. Don't be scared. I'm more scared of myself because I'm scared of heights and the precipice. Come on, baby.
Bumping, bumping, bumping. There you go. He's like, look, it's time to eat. So on these downhills, just keep your feet pushed forward and just let them walk nice and slow. But before you do that, you guys need to turn around right there and I'll get a picture of you. All right, we're just working our way down in here. See those fields up in front of us there are the ones we planted last year. They're all greened up. Gonna take off and start growing as soon as we get a little heat. So that's always exciting to see that looking good.
This way.
All right, we're getting a little bit closer to the... Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. How are you?
It's good.
You liking it so
Yeah.
far?
Everything's really nice. Beautiful out here.
Easy.
Nice weather.
Down on all this lava. Pretty amazing. Get it! What do you got? Get it! Sick him! Sick him! Get him! Sick him! All right, that's enough. Sick him! Oh, crazy's an understatement. Get him! What you got, dog? Aren't you supposed to be on a leash? Get him! What an amazing place. And look up there, everyone's house is on the edge. So there's some view lots up there for you. All right, what do you think about southern Utah on a horse?
This is awesome. This is mental health recovery system. Forget about Casey's, man. Forget about the Casey's off-road. Casey's mental health recovery. This is it.
What do you say, Alex?
Beautiful out here.
What is it? Oh yeah, get in there and get it. Get it. Get in there and get it. Get it. Get it. Sit down. All right, let's go. Hey, hey. Good girl. We're just working our way around through here, having a good time. Somebody's been on a bike right there.
Listen, that dog doesn't even know that there's no water.
Well, she just
That dog is
crossed.
so happy.
She just crossed the river 3 times.
Yeah. Fresh water.
Get him, Pop.
She's not even panting.
No,
Oh, yeah, now she is.
20 miles ain't nothing for her. This is actually the old landfill that they come and cleaned up. There's still a little garbage in it, but overall it's pretty much all gone. Just working our way around here. Just up above the river, the sand chutes there, and the behind us where everybody always gets stuck. So it's not very hard to get there on a mule. All right, well, there's my office. Pretty rough.
Can't even see the flat top.
What a beautiful place. And then somebody messed it all up by putting houses on it. Pretty stunning. What do you think?
Wow! That's right, I'm almost on a slow trot there going up the hill again.
This is wow, wow, wow. This is amazing. What a treat. Hey. This is amazing.
Well, that was probably just the break I needed, taking Alex and his wife on a mule ride down in the river bottoms there. What a beautiful day in southern Utah, about 65 degrees. Clouds moved in a little bit this afternoon. It chilled right off, but overall it was a beautiful day, and we're just gonna go drop the mules off and go finish out our day at the shop. So thanks for coming along for the ride.